on, Coral. You got this, girl. Oh, their tails are slowing down. Oh, there you go. Hi, guys. Today we're unboxing Robo Fish. This is my brother's has a blue one and I have a pink one. So let's get started. Oh wow, that's tight. Guggle, you try taking out yours. Oh, I got it.
I got it.
Here, I'll help you, and then I'll open mine. Ugh, you have to kind of scratch it there. Put it down. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Here. And there, it's open. Here. Now let me finish up. Okay, good. Now let's crack it. Yes. Whoa. Here's my Robo Fish. Do you need help, guys?
Yeah.
You press it, okay? And then you... There. Pull yours out. Pull it out. No. Pull the fish out. Good. Now let's... It comes with the manual. Some piece of cardboard. Here's your fish. Here. Now let's open up the fish. Papa, can you help? Thanks, Papa. So it comes out like this. You push the back and peel off the rubber band. Good job, Gagu. Here's the Robo Fish. Now I'm gonna help you, Gagu. Wait.
Wait.
Okay, Gagu. Let's put it in the water. Oh, wow, it's swimming. Let's help it. There, swim. Oh, it's actually swimming. Their little tails are moving. It's a little hard for them, but. Oh, look at that. Swimmy. They meet. And on the box, it said the color changed in the water, but it doesn't look like they are. Let me see. Oh no, they both stopped. I don't see any color changing, but they are fun. Come on, fishies! Good! They're here! Hey, look! Look, there's Bubbles and here's Coral. This is Coral and this is Bubbles, right?
It's a blueberry.
You like a blueberry?
Yeah.
Okay, you can have a blueberry, but for the video, her name is Bubbles. Look, they're swimming so fast. Bubbles, hi Bubbles. Hi Coral.
This one,
Bye guys.
Hey, look.
Oh, you're going. Here, go. Oh, go. Good job.
My snail. It's going in there.
Look how cute they are.
I want to take mine out.
You want to hold it?
Yeah.